Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I will show you how to fix unable to install update and error occurred installing your iOS update. So guys, when you try to update your iPhone to latest iOS version and you will see this type of error that unable to install your update, I will help you how can you fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix it. First of all, open your settings. Make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection, and guys, after this you need to turn on or turn off your airplane mode for 3 to 4 times. And now you need to click on mobile services. And guys, if your internet connection is not fast, then you need to turn on your mobile data and you need to select 4G or 5G network. And guys, now you need to go back, scroll it down, click on general, and after this you need to scroll it down, and from here you need to check your VPN connection. If you have connected any VPN, you need to disconnect your VPN, and now you need to go back. So guys, after this, select your own region according to your country from here, and now you need to click on transfer or reset iPhone, click on reset. And guys, you need to reset your network settings from here. And after this guys, if you are using mobile data on your eSIM, then you need to delete your eSIM and you need to reinstall it again in your iPhone. And after this, go back. So guys, now you need to scroll it down, and from here you need to click on screen time and scroll it down, click on content and privacy restrictions, and you need to remove all the restrictions from here. And after this guys, if you have set any screen time passcode, then you need to remove it. And now guys, you need to scroll it down and you need to click on here the option of apps, click on it, and from here you need to click on Safari, and you need to clear the history and website data of your Safari browser from here. And guys, after doing all these settings, you need to go back, and guys, you need to open your settings again and you need to check for software update, and your problem will be fixed and you will be able to update your latest iOS version in your iPhone. So guys, after doing all these settings, they still not fix your problem, then you need to open your Safari browser, and here you need to search support.apple.com. So guys, after searching it, you need to contact with your Apple support team and you have to tell your problem, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.